In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Star Citizen installer error. Now what we want to do is we want to open up CMD as an administrator, and in here you're gonna copy and paste this code right here. Now I'm gonna leave this in the description, but you want to copy it, paste it in here and press enter. Once you've done that, try and restart your PC and see if it works. Now once we've done that, what we can do is we can come down here and we can search for File Explorer, come to this PC, and what you need to do here is you need to have a second disk. Now on this drive you want to have a second one, and you want to make sure that it's an NTFS. So right click and check that it's an NTFS. Now if it's not an NTFS, what we can do is we can change it. However, this is going to clean the entire drive, so make sure you don't have anything important on it. What you want to do is right click, go to Format, change NTFS, and then press Start. And once that is done, it's an NTFS file, and then Star Citizen should be able to be installed on there. Now, if it still doesn't work, you might just want to restart your PC, and then it might work on it. Now, those are the two ways that I currently know of. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.